I've had the first set of meetings with these banks in Dubai on my way back from Washington, D.C. We are engaged with the rating agencies. मेरा अपना अंदाज़ा ये है कि they will wait for the EFF to be in place before they start looking at जो अभी अली ने भी बात की है, बहुत important बात है कि why are we looking at the EFF and with a larger and a longer program with the fund, because we want permanence in that macroeconomic stability. और जब तक वो नहीं आएगी हमारी rating agencies will not move. But the third thing is जो अभी चाइना में भी बात हुई है कि we are very keen to go for an inaugural panda bond. So even before we go back into the euro or the Reg S 144A market, we are very keen to at least go for an inaugural panda bond during next fiscal year and hopefully during this calendar year, और उसको फिर हम टैप पे रख सकें ताकि जितना भी amount हो, at least we have a diversified funding base. So on the external finance side, inshallah, once the fund program is in place, I don't see that as a big challenge.